Welcome to ENJO's skincare pack. And this pack comes in two colours, in lilac and also in ocean. The fibres are exactly the same in both packs, but it just gives you a colour alternative, which is great if you have more people that want to use them or people like a different colour. Let's talk about the Zone pack. We have two little makeup removing face pads in here. These are great for doing eyes and faces, and these two replace 4,400 cotton wool pads that you might use to clean your face or take off your makeup, and I'm going to use these in a minute. We then have different fibres depending on the job that we're going to do. So they are all with this cleansing side. And even if you have soft, sensitive skin, all of ENJO's fibres have been tested and are endorsed by the Finnish Allergy, Skin and Asthma Association. And what does that mean? It means that you can use these even if you have sensitive skin. They will be able to clean your skin without any fragrances or anything that could cause a problem for you. And all we're going to use is water to do that. And yet we have the same deep pore cleaning that we have around the rest of the home using our fibres, but these will cleanse without removing your essential oils and without changing your pH. So this one here, general cleaning and cleansing, and these ones here are all about exfoliating. The darker the fibre, the deeper the clean. So this is a deeper exfoliator for your body. You can also use this to buff your skin. You can use it to exfoliate dry or wet, and is brilliant maybe if you wear fake tan to be able to buff it before you apply it. And this one here is a face duo glove that I can use to exfoliate my face and gently cleanse. We are not all showering in cold water, because the way that these fibres work is when we're in the hot water in the shower, they will trap and hold and release the dirt all at the same time. Let me talk to you though about this one here, all right, these eyepads and removing makeup. So all I need to do, if I just take you down here, is put a little bit of water, so just cold water. Squeeze the pad out, and then if I take you over to the mirror, you can see just one eye will easily remove even waterproof makeup, all right, and take it all away for us, just gently, so none of that ripping and pulling at your skin. You can see it's all locked in the pad, even our lipstick. But just the same as with the rest of ENJO, it doesn't transfer. So I can use that as well. Lots of different uses on cuts and grazes. And it will just take out the bacteria. So brilliant on conjunctivitis, wounds. I even use them on my pets. And this will just wash out with hot soapy water, and the same with my skincare in the shower, and then it goes into the wash once a week.